welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today's February 10th, 2025. We're 3 weeks away from December and we're super excited about it. Also, we're opening up Tellor Layer Testnet. The name of it's actually Chicamaua. It's the name of a battle. And yeah, so that's going to be opening up today to the public for testing. So everybody that has been asking, cannot wait for you guys to jump on and start testing with us. And with that, let's get started on where we're at with everything else. Brian, what are you up to? And tell us more about December.
Yeah. So I just put out the Tellor Dynamo instructional video to kind of give people more context as to what to expect. I'll be doling out some more kind of tidbits around the health benefits of your grip strength in general, but come visit us at ETH Denver to our Tellor booth. We're gonna have a little it's called the Dynamo Challenge, where you'll grab the dynamometer and we'll input that data through the client that Spuddy's put together, and put it on the Tellor Layer blockchain. We'll have a website that'll have the leaderboard to kind of keep people abreast of who's on top. And
so you got to train up.
Yeah, I've not been training at all.
Got to train.
Okay. So the video's out. The social will have more information, just kind of for context as why this is important. And then the website, we have the website ready to go. There are a couple tweaks that I wanted to make to spruce it up, and also in terms of working with disputes. Spuddy and I are working on that together. And then also we have I got the new Block Explorer fixed. So for the new testnet, we should have that ready to go. And then now we'll just be working on the press release for the Chickamauga testnet that we got coming out, and and working on the spruced up website for the Tellor Dynamo Challenge.
Thanks, Ryan. All right. And with the tech, I don't know, Tim.
Yeah. So most recently I was just working on continuing to improve the relayer bot. It was just kind of simple Python scripts before, and I'm turning it is now more of a CLI tool repo for like relaying like spot prices continuously, or withdrawing price, or withdrawing for the token bridge. I think one more thing could be, it already partially has this like a tip and relay function, tip a value and relay it as soon as it's available. So yeah, that's looking better already right now. And then working through any issues still outlying on layer, and probably switching gears to the CPI stuff again, I guess.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's really useful to test the entire user flow, and I know you're working on that, and then we'll get some stats on how quickly we can get data to other chains and things like that. So that's still some stuff that we'll be doing, and then definitely we're picking up again the CPI. Right. Dan.
I made some small changes to how dispute rewards are getting claimed, and I just have one more test scenario to go through.
But this is a big change, right? Or it could turn out to be a bigger change in terms of code.
It's like 140 lines.
Oh, right.
Not that bad.
Not that bad. Yeah. But that'll have to wait for the next version. So everybody, we're still opening up the testnet. We're gonna be testing this, and then we'll include this feature on a future update. All right. Akram?
I'm working on so I'm doing the DVM. I'm almost done with it. It's just need to fix some Tellor feeds dependencies. So I'm working on that, updating. Some of the dependencies are very old. Well, actually, not some of them, all of them almost.
All of them.
So I'm trying to bring them forward. And also Brownie is a tool that we use for our testing. I think they're not updating it anymore. I did find something else that they recommended, ETH Ape from ApeWorks, and I'm gonna try to use, hopefully. And also this problem is, I think Spuddy can probably second this, but it always comes up, and we just like do workarounds to fix dependencies. So hopefully this will be a one fix.
Yeah, I'm speechless. I am so excited for this. This would be that pull request we were talking about, Ryan. This is going to be a big one.
One would be avoiding.
Right. Well, with that, Spidey?
I've been working on the docs, the layer docs. I made a big change to where like we used to instruct people to clone the repo and build it from source. You don't have to build it anymore. We're just going to download the tagged version, and then it's going to set up a folder structure automatically if the commands are perfect. Obviously, the commands are perfect already, but I'm still going to be working on it today a little bit.
You'll be refining them.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, I know you guys DM Spuddy a lot for help with setting up your nodes and reporters. So look, we'll be posting at some point the documentation so you can follow it. And of course, always welcome to reach out. Caleb?
I'll be working through some of our GitHub issues and also finding the ones that I think might have already been addressed unknowingly, so we can just kind of clear those out. Working on building out some monitoring stuff, and then also I'll be in the Discord looking for people who need help standing up a node.
I forgot to mention also that to get your testnet tokens for this network, should have talked about it off camera, honestly. But if you need testnet tokens, just send a message with your address in the Discord, and please just kind of just wait for us to get to it. If we don't send the tokens right away, I'm sorry, but like, you know, sometimes we sleep, so just,
yeah,
sorry.
Yeah, thanks for the patience in advance, everyone. We'll try to get to it as quickly as we can. Nick?
No, just off a really fun deep dive. So Gen Layer, if you guys want to listen to me talk about AI smart contracts for an hour. It was a fun one though. We got into it a little bit. So definitely excited to put that one out. And then yeah, I'm gonna reconvene with myself here in a minute, and then we got some auditor issues, so just some comments on that, and then they're hoping to check off, like, they gave us the initial audit report, we made all the changes, and now they're giving us check-offs on our changes, so finishing that up. But yeah.
So I don't know, with that, I think there was a question Ryan mentioned, somebody asking about marketing. You guys know our marketing, it's a little bit, we like it to be a lot more substantial, but also we are out there. Like, I was in Zurich, Nick was in Philadelphia. So we're trying to be very active. We will be at Denver. Come check out Tellor, become a reporter, even if it's just for the day, so you can check out the tech. But yeah, we'll definitely trying to work on that and do better. And every day we are trying. We're not trying to not be known. So yeah, we have a lot of work to do on that, and we'll continue to do work on it. So yeah, with that, looking forward to seeing you guys jump on the testnet, and we'll see you guys next week.